Create a professional logo design. On this course, I hope you will focus on learning. I will teach you how to create a logo design in 3D style. First, you create a circle object like this, and you create the object using pen tool like this. You can follow me. Double click on fill and change the color to gray color. Create new object again. Like this. And create new object again. Like this. You can selection the object with gray color. On the part finder, select unit, then select both object and click -1. Click this object, double click on fill, change the color to gray color, press OK. On the effect, select 3D, extrude and bevel, select preview, position change to front, perspective change the sizes over here, okay, like this, and press OK. On the top panel, object, select expand appearance, click right on here and select ungroup. Select this object, this and this, and select unit. Change the color using gradient color like this. On the gradient, on the type linear, change to radial. Double click on here, change the color to green color on here. Double click on here, click right here, double click, click, double click, double click, and select green color like this. On the gradient tool, click and adjust the gradient like this. Click and drag like this. Selection the object with gray color here. Selection, okay, and click part finder and select unit. Change the color using gradient color 2. Click swatches and click gradient color, gray gradient color, and adjust the gradient color, remove, and here drag on here, click here and this remove, okay, click gradient color tool and adjust the gradient color like this. On the type, change to radial and adjust again the gradient color like this. Give the name of the logo a mobile, okay. On the next video you will learn how to create the logo more attractive.